Hey, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a whole long week. I know I'm posting on a Sunday, which is weird. I thought I can't let this week go out with a video. So yeah, in this video, I'm just gonna go back to basics, show you what I seen last week and what I can see upcoming this week. Same old currency pairs: US dollar, GBP, USD. Maybe give you another snippet of Aussie dollar. Not too sure if I want to do that, but let's see what's going on in the market. So with US dollar last week, it was slow. Monday was so slow. Tuesday as well was so baffling. Look how Friday and Thursday and Wednesday went so nicely. It just went my way. I like it when it goes my way. But yeah, this goes to show like how important it is to be very patient in the market. Like, what you know where it's gonna go, but it doesn't fulfill, or it doesn't happen in the time frame that you expect it to. So it is very important to manage your risk. Firstly, secondly, expect the unexpected. Really, and this week it really tested me in that sense because since January, it's been going quite smoothly for me. Like, it's been a lot more consistent. This has been my best year so far in terms of spotting opportunities, and just the way it's been rolling. Like, it's been amazing. Like, although people are complaining about recession and inflation, I'm like, here's the opportunity. Like, I'm loving it. Yeah, let's get back to what I'm here for, really. And so yeah, with US dollar, obviously, as you saw me before I deleted it all, I'm actually expecting this to go higher. Let me show you what I had quickly. So yeah, here's the daily fib that I have: A, B, C, 61.8%, which is amazing. Yeah, I see US dollar increasing in value, surprisingly, with what's currently happening in the world, with taxes increasing, all of this stuff. But yeah, in comparison to the other currencies in the world, like Aussie dollar and GBP and New Zealand, blah, 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 all the top 5 currency pairs, you can see that the US dollar is increasing in value. There is pros and cons to that. Like, what the heck? How is this happening to US dollar after they printed this much money in the last couple years? Like, they printed more money, released more money into the wild, basically. I'm practically stealing from the poor. But yeah, let's get back to the opportunities. This week, the opportunity really came about after it continued making its higher lows, and then pushed further to upside. So yeah, we have that bigger fib that is a 61.8% on the daily, and then when you go on to the 4-hour, it was an opportunity within opportunity. So yeah, you could enter in at a newer price rate. So in this sense, this fib that I have on is A, B, C, rejection of 61.8%, rejection of the fib. This is on the 4-hour, so I would have, you see this bearish momentum, and obviously it didn't go further down, make a new lower low, so hence why it made a new higher high. And also candlestick formation, it's clear on the 4-hour created bullish engulfing, and then from there, it actually kept rejecting off this resistance here. It was quite stubborn, 127.30, and I was like, damn, is it really going to go further up or go down? It just really consolidated. In hindsight, it was a pennant triangle, but you can tell it's going to go higher because it created these like lower highs. Once it broke it, boom, it just hit D1, D2, nice and quick. So with seeing this opportunity on US dollar, if you go into GBP USD, guess what, baby? Let me get it up real quick. Same thing happened. So on the daily, the majority of the movement happened on Friday, Thursday, mainly. breaking out of this area. So yeah, Wednesday was like the point of reference where it actually broke it. But look at again, it created this resistance here, and there was this support here, which was very, very annoying. But however, this is what I was telling my friend today. Like, you want to sell high and buy low. So at this point, you have this. Well, actually, let's go back. Knowing that it's still on a downtrend, you know that you want to be selling. So it going up was not a surprise. It's just consolidating at this area. What I actually had, which gave me like sell opportunities, is this using market structure, is this previous lower low, and that there was this resistance here at 1.2660. With that in hindsight, I knew that it was going to make shorts. So seeing these bearish candlesticks, I knew it was going to go further down, and this is where I would have been selling. So with that, so sell opportunities were always around this price over here, and break of this counter trend line was another confluence of selling. So selling here, selling there, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. And then adding the Fibonacci was just like the cream on top, really, just to get your targets. So hit D1, hit D2 very nicely. And this is where it's very important to add your risk reward tool. So let's say D1 was my take profit area, and it hit around 71.8%, giving it another 20 pips. Let's say over here, great risk reward, 3.95%. So yeah, that was the main trade that I was looking for during last week. Let me give you my outlook for next week. That might help you guys. So at the moment, let me just delete this real quick. With what I just said, and the trend going downwards, what I'm actually expecting, and this could help you, is I'm not saying this is like point B, but this is what I'm going to use for the time being until I see how market reacts over Sunday night into Monday morning, and see how the market moves. I'm not sure, like, I'm not going to predict what how much volume there is going to be on Monday, but what I'm looking for is price action to retrace back. So it's going to come back up to like around 61.8%, maybe 78.6%. What I would actually do is put sell limits, let's say around these areas, to see what trade opportunities I can take. So I'll be holding off for Monday mostly. If opportunity comes early, as in Monday, possibly if Sunday night it comes up like this, then yes, maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday, I'll take the short continuing to the downside. This being said, I will look for US dollar to do the same. So point A, point B, I'm looking for price action to retrace back to down here to hit some sort of support level to continue to the upside. If it doesn't do that, I won't be shorting down here, because it's really low at the, like I said at the beginning of the video, I don't want to be selling quite low. I want to sell high. So this is why I use those areas as a confluence, or basically like a base of where I would sell. I think around 78.6 or 61.8% is a great retracement level to sell from. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. It's always great to see some feedback or what you guys think of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much.